So guys, today we are going to be talking about sulfur. You know the sulfur content in our fuel right now imeongezewa, iko 50% sulfur, and initially it was about 10%. It was the European spec that was ultra low sulfur. Now, what is wrong with high sulfur content, and why are car owners worried about the sulfur content in fuel? Fuel quality is measured in two things: either the octane number or the sulfur content. So the higher the sulfur content, the lower the quality of fuel, and that's why the car owners are worried about the quality of fuel that will be going in their engines. And what are the effects of high quality, of high levels of sulfur in fuel? So this is now where the worry begins. Sulfur is a naturally occurring substance that is found in crude oil. So ni kitu iko. From the very beginning ni kitu iko kwa crude oil. So when gasoline, hiyo ni petrol, and diesel are refined, after zimerefiniwa, they contain traces of sulfur. Now, what happens with those traces of sulfur? The traces of sulfur, after combustion, after ile mafuta sasa, ushaenda kwa petrol station, umewekewa mafuta, and now ndio inakupropel, ndio ina run engine sasa. Now, what is the downside of high levels of sulfur in fuel? Number one, it will pollute the environment. That's why efforts were made to reduce the sulfur content in fuel globally because of air quality na air pollution, hizo emission regulations. Number two, after combustion, the sulfur content in fuel, it creates what is known as sulfuric acid. Na hapo sasa ndio wase wengi wanashtuka, hizi engine zetu za Euro 6 zita sustain kweli? Hizi engine zetu zitawezana na sulfuric kweli? So after it creates the sulfuric acid, we all know that sulfuric acid inakuanga corrosive. So ikikam tu in contact tu na hiyo chuma ya gari yako huko ndani kwa engine, if it comes in contact with the metal, it starts corroding the metal components. And now the same sulfuric acid, when it comes in contact with the oil yenye umeeka kwa gari, ina lower the pH ya oil. Alafu ikilower the pH, ina deteriorate nini? Ina deteriorate the oil yenye ulikuwa umeeka. So what should you do as the car owner now that we are using fuel with high levels of sulfur in it? So what you should do, it all narrows down to this, the oil that you will be using. So for you not to be affected by the high levels of sulfur in fuel, you have to use oil yenye iko na additives. Si wewe uchukue additives uweke kwa nini? Uweke kwa tank huko nyuma. You should use high quality oil yenye already iko na hizo additives. Ndio oil ikienda ipatwe na sulfuric acid, already iko na detergents za kuneutralize hiyo sulfuric acid, inakuwa base, unaona? So it will not have an effect. Hii oil inakuanga na, it has got 3 additives. Kuna corrosion inhibitors to prevent corrosion due to the sulfuric acid. Number 2, it has got antioxidants to prevent the formation of organic acids. Hizo ni antioxidants. And number 3, lazima ikuwe na detergents to provide an alkaline base. Ndio hiyo sulfuric acid ikikam ina neutralizewa. So what we shall be doing to prevent sisi wasewa ma Euro 6, hizi kwanza hizi ma diesel engines, hizi mpya, we do service regularly. Ukikaka after some few months, like 3 months or 4 months, una change oil, unaeka oil mpya. Ndio ile oil yenye ulikuwa umeeka isikuwa iko contaminated na iko deteriorated. The moment oil imekuwa deteriorated, hapo ndo engine inakufia. Engine ina seize tu. So you should not be worried. Just use the high quality oil with those types of additives, and you'll be good to go for the next 6 months before sasa tuletewe ultra low sulfur. the one that we were used to. Thank you.